Hey guys, I got another Master 930 here, 6230. I pulled it out of my collection. I found it. Let's see what the numbers are. It says up here FAF. Not sure if you can see that. It is locked up. I don't have a key for the lock. Maybe I did have one. I lost it. Couldn't find it when I found the lock. And again, about the only difference between this and the 930 is the keyway. I'm just using a little bit wider tension tool than I normally would. Does have security pins in it. There it is, open. Lock's got a little bit of rust on it. Got it used. Yep. Having one of those nights. And still a good lock. It's got a couple spool pins in there. Pretty typical of Master. That's about it. That's all that's up there. Heavy duty for sure. And that's really about it. Sorry to make such a short video, but that's all I got. So you guys have a good night.